Hi, welcome to Dumisi itiye elishisa be elifuna ukuthi ungaliphuzi uhamba elifuna ukuthi uhlale phansi ukuze ungashi. Asikhulumeni ngolwandle Mseleku. One thing about Lwandle storyline is a bit boring, but not because he's a boring person, but because siyasazi thina sisithandela idrama sikubona abantu abanomrivito. But when it comes to uLwandle, he's a little bit shy, a little laid back. But one thing I'm proud of is the fact that he has shown so much growth, especially with the kid. You can see from his action uzmisela ukuzimela manje because uMandla unkulu uma because wemphethe njengengane. You can see that even this whole thing yokuthi unomntwana and those type of vibes. Yes, Macele is very happy to have umzukulu, but when it comes to marriage and those type, you can see with Na, she's not the type of parents that are gonna say ukuthi njengoba unomntwana you must marry the girl. The fact that uLwandle is going to be staying as Macele's house, which is being renovated, it shows ukuthi yazi anything for Macele's children Mseleku will do it with ease. Akabi nje nenkinga when it comes to Macele because of the respect that woman has shown Mseleku. So Mseleku greeted uKhwezi umama Zibuko, and you can see ukuthi uKhwezi akangeni leyo. She's always sitting down. Akanasikhathi sokuthi asukume. You know, there's a type of way okumele ubingelele umuntu omdala because like mina ndizi it's the 21st century sesibingelela kanje yomele bajwayele. Okay, another thing Mseleku said she doesn't like the way uMazibuko is wearing, but ngichaza ukuthi he mentioned that for now sizomiyeka ngoba asikakamkhipheli ilobolo or something, so she can wear anyway afuna ugqoka ngakhona, but the minute sesimkhiphela imasinika ukuthi khona indlela kumele ugqoke ngayo, especially uma uyengoduso yakwaMseleku kumele uhlonipheke. And I'm sorry about the Zulu words that I'm using because angiyena umZulu ngumpeli, but because Zulu is one of those languages that is well known because ankabula kaSpedi wonjole kaSinkwe. So yeah, she said kumele ahlonipheke, those type of vibes. So it's giving ukuthi makeza lapha kaMseleku, which is going to be wearing dresses, ikete ezinde, you know, the type of vibes that showcase ukuthi this one is married, is someone's wife. But for now she can wear amabhruku efanele noLwandle basi bebe ndlula lapha egqekeni amadlozi angazi ukuthi manje who is the man, who is the woman. One thing that I've noticed about uKhwezi is that uKhwezi seems like a strong character, so I wonder ukuthi njengoba uLwandle ethule kanje mara uzomkhona mara uKhwezi. But anyway, the fact ukuthi bajolile bazi baba nengane shows ukuthi uyamkhona. So and Mseleku said that he is happy ukuthi uLwandle sekwazi ukunakekela izinto zikaMseleku, the construction, taking care of the household, those type of vibes, because Makhumalo used to be the one who was handling that department. And one thing about Makhumalo was a very hands-on woman, very supportive, you know. Finances, Makhumalo's name was always there. Businesses, like Makhumalo, that's why Mseleku is so scared to lose Makhumalo. Lose Makhumalo, as he said before, was Makhumalo as the engine. So definitely this family needs Makhumalo. But as you can see, uLwandle, they are hands-on right now. The construction is coming all right. And you know, for me, I feel like Macele's house is being renovated because otherwise Baba Singile Imizi. Yes, I know they are doing it for uLwandle, but I feel like part of the reason could be the fact that the other wives have houses and Macele doesn't have a house. Because the last time we checked, there was a point where Macele was looking for a site and Macele chose a site Lasemakhaya. And for me, I understood why she chose that area or that section, because uMacele was looking at it from an angle of which ubaba mengashona, how am I going to be able to maintain indlu yasedrobheni and those type of vibes, because you must remember it was the time Mseleku was sick. So yeah, but we never heard anything about that because I remember there were problems with that site. It was not a fully confirmed site yokuthi okay uMacele has taken it. So I believe ukuthi njengoba engamthengelanga indlu because nazi ukuthi nje uyesithandwa sikaMseleku, so he decided ukuthi yazini, let me do this for uLwandle so that he can have a house, since nabanye sengibakwazile ubathengela izindlu, and this is a beautiful thing to see. Please don't leave without liking, commenting, subscribing. See you next time. Bye, Yola.